Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Now today I am making hazelnut milk. Guys, you know how much I love nuts and I love using my nuts to make butter and also milk. And if you just get bored with your regular milk, it's always good to try something new. You never know unless you try. And hazelnut is delicious, is super nutritious, packed of vitamin, packed of fiber, name it all, it's an hazelnut. So I'm making my hazelnut today. I have 1 cup of hazelnut. I soak it overnight. And I have 5 dates that I soak as well. And that's all to make my hazelnut. And 2 cups of water, but I did kind of add like 2.5 cups because I want to have more milk. When you make your hazelnut, just keep your milk in the fridge for like 1 to 2 days. That's the longest you can keep it for. So I make sure my nuts in. These are raw. My dates and my water. You know what I love about hazelnut? It has so much health benefit towards it. Do you know that it reduces your risk of heart disease? And it's also protect you from gaining weight. Yes, this is not a fatty hazelnut. Hazelnut is not fatty. And it's what I love that about hazelnuts. Now the fragments would leave back. I am not going to throw them away. I'm going to add them to my smoothie. You guys know how much I love smoothie. I'm going to add these to my smoothies. So I'm going to add a shot. Bon appetit. This is so sweet. Guys, you have to try hazelnut milk. This is so good. You can just drink this by itself. You can have this in your cereal, just like all your other milks that you use, your almond milk, your regular milk. This can have in your cereal, whether it's a raw cereal or your oatmeal, you can have your hazelnut in it. You can put if you're a coffee drinker, you can put hazelnut in your coffee. You can just pour this in your coffee just like that. Or if you just want a glass of milk to drink, just drink a glass of milk. What else can you do with it? Everything that you do with a regular milk. The only difference is this have way more vitamin and way more nourishment to it than a regular milk. Vegan friends, this is for you. Vegetarian lovers, this is also for you. This is super easy to make. It tastes delicious and refreshing. And now I'm not getting paid to promote hazelnut. But it's the healthy way. Invest in yourself. And investing in yourself or just have these natural things. This is all natural, raw hazelnut, gluten-free. This is kosher. And I just love this. So, nuts, heart health, bone health, improve your immune system. You cannot go wrong with hazelnut. I have to make hazelnut butter. I have to. I'm going to make you the butter, guys. I'm going to make the butter. This is so good. So as usual, as I always said, check my description box for the recipe. It's not really much recipe, right? It's just dates and hazelnut and water. But I'll still put it in my description box for you. And not to mention all the health benefits that hazelnut is all about just for you. I love you guys for watching, and remember to leave me a comment below and hit the thumbs up and share my videos with your friends and tell them to hit the subscribe button. I love you guys. Mwah.